this video we're going to make our rain sound for our thunderstorm, because usually when you get a thunderstorm you get rain either before, after, or sometimes in the middle, and that rain can be thunderous in itself. So I've got my margarine tub, I've put some dried pasta inside. You can use dried rice, you can use anything. If you haven't got dried pasta or dried rice in, you could just find something that makes a sound when you pop it into the tub. Put the lid on, and again we can play it very gently. So if that thunderstorm is just coming close and the rain's just starting, we can shake it really gently. And that's just our gentle rain. So as the rainstorm is getting more rainy and the thunder's getting louder, we can make the sound a little bit more intense. And as that thunderstorm gets over us and the thunder's crashing and the lightning is flashing everywhere, that rain can be very intense and very noisy. And then, as the thunderstorm passes, it can perhaps rain a bit more gentle again. Until it goes away. And that's how we make our rain sound for our rainstorm. If you've got an instrument at home, like a rainmaker, they're great for making the rain sound. We have those in college, but you don't have to have one at home. So this is why a margarine tub or a tub with some dried things in to move around makes a great rain sound too.